Anger, anguish and pain. Local experts detail psychological impact of human trafficking. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, we hear from the woman whose house the American missionaries was to build when they were killed.
Used fire trucks, the minister who says that may need to be considered.
Plus, more from the Standing Finance Committee.
And in the business day, gas prices jump for a fourth straight week.
There's also the health report, sports buzz commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Finance Minister Audley Shaw today suggested that the government could explore buying used fire trucks. Would you support that?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.